Sharon, good morning. Well, this new flexibility about whether travelers have to wear a mask or not comes because a federal judge in Florida ruled that the mask mandate exceeds the CDC's authority, and that's why we're seeing these rules starting to relax. Reaction was mixed as signs about the federal mask mandate started coming down at airports around the country. And federal authorities stopped enforcing the mask mandate Monday.
It's a pleasant surprise, though.
We're 2 years in. If you want to wear a mask, wear a mask. But understand it's a personal choice.
Some people are going to wear theirs, some people not. Me and her, we're going to wear ours everywhere we go.
I'm just going to take care of myself and those around me and wear a mask.
Rail systems, flight crews, and others also started announcing masks are now optional. That following a ruling from a federal judge in Florida that decided the mask mandate exceeded the CDC's authority.
This is obviously a disappointing decision. The CDC continues recommending wearing a mask in public transit.
White House Press Secretary Jen Psaki explained why the mask mandate was scheduled to be in place for at least 2 more weeks.
To be able to assess the latest science in keeping with its responsibility to protect the American people.
Part of the data that's being reviewed is the number of COVID-19 cases that's once again on the rise in parts of the country. Now, the White House says the CDC and the Department of Homeland Security, which is the agency that enforces the mask mandate, are now looking over that judge's ruling before the federal government decides whether the DOJ will file an appeal. Sharon, back to you.
Well, speaking of that, Alex, I mean, even they're looking over it, is there any possibility that they might file that appeal to try to continue enforcing this mask mandate anyway?
So there is a possibility the ruling left the door open for that, but if we take a look at what the Biden administration has done in the past, that might give us an indication of where they might be going with this, because if you remember when the court struck down the federal vaccine mandate, the Biden administration didn't try to fight that. And also the CDC, you know, for the most part, isn't really requiring or recommending that the public wear masks indoors, except for that public transport sector. That was the one exception that was still remaining. So, you know, there's a fairly good chance that the administration won't try to fight this ruling.